Hello everyone and welcome back to Real Bennet's Kitchen. So today I'm going to teach you how I prepare Banga jollof rice in my kitchen. So yummy delicacy. On the table I have the ingredients for our Banga jollof rice. So this is my already parboiled rice. I have my Banga milk here already processed. But if you do not have this type wherever you are, you can get the tinned Banga milk and dissolve it in warm water and use. You can check one of my videos where I showed you how to extract the Banga milk from the palm fruit. Check there, it is there. I have my smoked fish, I have my dried prawns, I have the fresh okay, no, it's not, this is shrimps. I have my dried shrimps and I have my fresh shrimps. Then I have this pepper, habanero pepper, and Shombo or cayenne pepper. This is just for garnishing. I have my salt. Then this is our Ogiri Okpie. Then I have my bouillon cube. I have my scent leaf. I have my onions already sliced for garnishing. In this bowl, I have my crayfish, my pepper, my onions, and my ground Ogiri Okpie. All of them are all blended together. And if you are cooking this type of native food, like I would tell people, you have to be generous with crayfish because you are not using any other seasoning apart from your bouillon cube and the Ogiri Okpie, no other seasoning. So you have to add enough crayfish when you are doing this. So all in here are blended crayfish, onions, pepper, and the Ogiri Okpie. So join me as I cook this our special delicacy. So the pot is on the fire, the heat is on. I will now pour in my processed Banga milk. You have to take it easy because of the particles at the bottom of the bowl. Then I'm going to add in my blended pepper, onions, Ogiri Okpie, and crayfish. I'll add the bouillon cubes now and allow this to boil for some time before I continue. So just cover the pot now and allow it to boil up. So you can see it's boiling. I'll stir. What I do now, I'll add salt to this boiling water. I'm already perceiving the aroma. I'll just taste for the salt. I have to add in some more salt. Okay, the salt is okay now. The salt is okay, but if I need to add more later on, I'll add more. So I'll just pour in my parboiled rice. I parboil the rice because I want to take away some of the starch. You try this kind of jollof rice and you thank me later. Please, if you have not smashed the like button, please do share and subscribe. So I've added the rice now. I prepared the fish off camera, so I'll just put the fish on top of the rice. This is my dried shrimps. I'm putting it on top too. Been washed, and this is our wet shrimps. Because I'm not going to stir fry it, I had to marinate it with some salt, thyme and curry. So I'll just add everything on top. So I'll allow it to cook for some time before I come back. So this is after 25 minutes. I've come to open the pot to check if the rice is cooked. So I'll just take some and press with my finger. Yeah, the rice is almost there. So now I'm going to add in these onions for garnishing. And I'll add this pepper for coloring. Then I'll add our scent leaf for another bumper aroma. I'll add a little salt on top so that this one should be tasty. Then check for water. I've already reduced the heat at this time, so I'll now stir everything together. Whoa, the aroma in this kitchen is something else. This is our Banga jollof rice. Try it and thank me later. Please, if you have not smashed the like button, just do. Whoa! Let me add more scent leaf. Where's the scent leaf? Give me the scent leaf. See it there. So I'm adding more scent leaf. I'll just test it for salt now, then we are good to go. Yeah, the salt is okay. I'm not adding any salt again, just okay now. See our Banga rice. See the face of our Banga rice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You have to combine very well so you don't have some white parts and the other ones that have the ingredients, and some part will be sweet, some part won't be sweet. We have to stir everything well to be well combined. I think we are good to go. Our rice is cooked, so I will just put off my heat. Please share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Thank you and bye-bye.